Social media marketing is the use of social media and social networks to market a company's products and services. Social media marketing provides companies with a way to engage with existing customers and reach new ones while promoting their desired culture, mission, or tone. Social media platforms enable marketers to use a variety of tactics and strategies to promote content and generate engagement. Social media has altered our society's functioning, particularly our ability to engage with one another. Businesses took notice as platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram became popular. They began utilizing these sites to advance their interests through social media marketing because these websites have the ability to influence customer behavior. In this video, we will look at the core pillars of social media marketing in 2022. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first core pillar of social media marketing is strategy. Before publishing on social media, consider your social media strategy. What are your intentions and goals? Do you need traffic, brand awareness, or engagement? Which social media platform has more audience? What type of content should you share? Images, links, or videos? Secondly, plan and publish. For small businesses, social media marketing begins with establishing a consistent presence on social media. By establishing a presence on social media platforms, you enable your brand to be discovered by potential customers. Social media publishing is like a blog post, an image, or a video on a social media platform. It's the same as sharing on your personal Facebook profile. However, you will want to plan your content rather than create and publish content on the fly. To maximize your social media reach, you must publish high-quality content that your audience enjoys at the right time and frequency. The third core pillar of social media marketing is listening and engagement. As your business and social media following expands, so does the talk about your brand. Individuals will leave comments on your social media postings, tag you on theirs, or send you a direct message. You can utilize a social media monitoring and engagement tool that combines all of your social media mentions and messages, including those that do not have a link to your business's social media page. Number 4 is analytics. Analytics help you manage and monitor the performance of your social media marketing, whether you're generating content or engaging on social media. Are you reaching a larger audience on social media this month than you were last month? How many favorable remarks do you receive each month? How many people utilize the hashtag for your brand in their social media posts? Analytics will help you with answers to these questions. The last core pillar of social media marketing is advertising. When you have additional dollars to invest in social media marketing, you may investigate social media advertising. With social media advertisements, you will reach a larger audience beyond your followers. Social media advertising platforms have become so sophisticated that you can target your adverts precisely. You will need to segment your audience depending on their demographics, interests, and behaviors, among other characteristics. When you're managing a large number of social media advertising campaigns at once, you may want to consider using a social media advertising tool to make bulk modifications, automate processes, and optimize your adverts. Did you find this video interesting? Let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.